while we've been here, we've signed 2 more customers.
We're talking EV charging manufacturers, utilities, and also installer networks who are managing installer companies. Alright, so we brought the whole team to London in the UK. UK is becoming very fast our most prominent market when it comes to existing customers and installer companies on the platform. We actually have scheduled several meetings with potential customers that are within the domains that we are working with. So we're talking EV charging manufacturers, utilities, and also installer networks who are managing installer companies.
Very cool. I'm super excited. Tonight it's Japanese barbecue.
Yeah, we're heading to one of my favorite restaurants. It's called Kintan. It's a Japanese barbecue, and the last time I was there, my girlfriend got food poisoned, so let's try to avoid that this time.
4 days with the entire company in London, exploring what the UK has to offer. So we've been having speakers talking about like how to do sales, how to do onboarding, and kind of like that type of processes. Specifically in the UK, so we learned what's the unique part of the UK, how does the market operates. Of course, we've been in the market for almost a year now, so we have had experiences with it and been successful in it. But while we've been here, we've signed 2 more customers, right? And that's kind of like a statement that we're being here, talking with the customers, developing with our customers. It's kind of like it's paying off. They see the value. They see that we're hitting their needs. We see now that the UK market is really picking up steam for us, so really taking it to the next level, deploying resources, being here more and more focusing is of course important as we're now starting our journey to really take over UK with installer.com.